In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to animate in Canva. So let's get started. So here we are in Canva, and from here is that I'm gonna animate this person right here into like a moving subject. So how I'm gonna do that is that I'm gonna simply select the image right here, select that, click on edit right here on the top menu, and then now you would want to go into the magic grab tool, which is this one. Click on that, and then it would now detect the subject, and then you just simply need to select that right here. So I would want this one right here, and then also this, and this one, and yeah, basically all of the right here, including the table, this one, and this one is not detected right here. So let's just do it just like that. And now from here, you want to click on grab, and it will now process. So you just need to wait for it to finish. And now that it's done, you will now be able to see that you can now grab it. As you can see, the background is also mitigated right here. It is not blank or transparent at all. So from here, all we need to do now is to click on our grabbed image, go into Animate, and then from here, the effect that I like the most is the breathe. So you can find that right somewhere in here. So as you can see, we now have that effect right there. So you could also go for other animation if you would want to, like the whip slide and the chroma wave, but I think it's not really that good, or it's not complementary to the effect that is the best. Now let's do another one. Let's go here into elements, and then basically from here is that we're just gonna go for another photo, like for example an airplane. This is most effective for things like this. So I'm gonna go here into photos, and then I'm gonna go somewhere just like this one right here. So now I'm gonna go and do it like that, and then same process, edit, and then go into magic grab and wait for it to finish processing. So click here, I'm gonna grab the airplane. So now from here we can click on that and then click on animate. And then we could also click here on create an animation. So basically we can just drag this just like that. So let's say that I would want it to fly out like that. So as you can see, we now have that right there. And then we could make it faster. And as you can see, it's just not smooth enough right here because the movement style is not smooth. So I could go for smooth, or I could go for steady. But yeah, you would have to do a great job at lining up that animation right there. But yeah, you get the gist. You could also go for other elements right here. So let's try breathe again, and then you would have something like that. So yeah, you could try this with a bunch of photos and see what works best. And that is basically it on how you can animate your images here in Canva. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.